Yep, we got a flat. So how do you change a flat tire on a 42-foot solid tube that has a dual axle? Well, this is what's going to go on. I have a guy that's coming, that's self-sustained, that he's able to lift that up. He's going to patch it, if it's patchable. We don't even know how the flat is happening. And we'll see how it goes. And if you live on the east side of Florida, this guy's located in Port St. Lucie. We're going to go ahead and find out what the ranges is, and we'll let you know how it goes.
This workshop on wheels is very impressive. Check that air compressor. He's got a tire changer, and way in the front he's got a balancer and his toolbox. Very nice and clean. A truck to be proud of.
Father and son. There's the fathers and the son. They've been doing this Port St. Lucie. What happened to me here? Can you explain a little bit, like,
all right,
what happened?
Trailer's been sitting for a little while. Sometimes it can leak over a little bit of time, or just the bead gets a little soft and a little bit of dirt gets in it. It just depends where your situation are. Here it was just a quick air check all the tires for air, and always keep an eye on them, make sure they're all good, especially for a camper. You have to up and go. And
So I want to introduce you to these two guys. They were incredible. They came all the way out here from Port St. Lucie. They got a business. It's a father and son team. Here he is.
Hey, how you guys doing?
Great. Listen, tell me your name.
I'm Oz. He's Daniel.
Daniel. Your dad?
Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
And so what's the name of your company?
St. Lucie Mobile Tire.
St. Lucie Mobile Tire. Okay. And let me ask you this. What's your address?
We don't have an address. We're completely mobile. So we go to your location. You're on the side of the highway, the turnpike, at your house or office. We do all the service right there, mounting and balancing, all done right there.
Wow. Okay, I didn't know that. That's great. What's a phone number that people can contact you so we can put it down in the...
You can contact me directly at 772-480-8473. We do 24-hour roadside assistance, so that phone line is open 24 hours.
And you guys sells all type of tires?
Any size of tires. So we go from anywhere to motorcycles, to your Harley or street bike, all the way up to agricultural. So we carry rubber tracks, big heavy equipment tires, and also motorcycle tires, and anything in between, from your sedan to your SUV to your RV.
So then, talking about heavy equipment, you guys do HDT trucks then too?
Yeah.
You guys are able to do that?
Yeah.
Wow, that's incredible. That's good to know, because I know I have some followers that have HDTs on my YouTube channel. But then again, we also have people with dualies and even RV trailers. Mm-hmm. So now, tell us, how long have you guys been doing like this? I know your dad's been around doing some for how long?
My dad has 10 years of experience in HD. So he's been doing heavy equipment for quite a while. And I just started a couple years ago, but I was born in it. So gotcha. I know all I need.
There you go. All right, beautiful. So let me ask you this. Tell us the process. If, let's say, somebody is stuck on the highway or maybe at a campsite, what would be the process that they need to go in order for you to take care of them?
They can call that phone number or go to our website, stluciemobiletire.com. vero.com. You can do your booking right there, and it'll run you through all that you need to give us to information. Or you can call the phone number. All I need is your tire size, location, and we can go from there to find the tire that you need or what specifications you're looking for.
And what's your operating hours since you guys are mobile?
We do 24 hours. We don't work on Sundays, but anywhere from there, just call me anytime. We got you guys covered.
And so what about your zone? How far south are you willing to go from being in Port St. Lucie, and how far north and how far west?
We usually will cover from West Palm Beach all the way up to Vero, even a little bit north and a little bit south depending where you are.
Covering it and not covering it?
It really depends the brand of the tire and the quality of the rubber. It can help because sun and humidity don't help your tire. So having it covered can give you a couple extra months. It won't be a lifesaver, but every month counts, you know?
Gotcha. Well, thank you guys for telling us about your service, and please make sure you give us some business cards because we'll pass it around here at the campsite. And if anybody needs help, you know, we love to help you guys out.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, guys. So we had to tape this one little segment because as you told me that you provide tires for RVs, HDTs, you also provide tires for dualies and motorcycles, but there's something that you I got a glimpse that you provide specialty tires for somebody. What is that? Talk to me about that.
All right, so we do on-track tire changes for drifting. We do any drifting to drag tires. So FD drivers out there that need tires for getting on the track, getting the right amount of grip, and being able to get your best performance of your vehicle. We have Signovas, Aceleras, and Kendas, and Cosmo Mucho Machos. And if you're out there, need service on the track for your private day, or you're doing a big event, we're able to handle anywhere from 200 tires a day to 150. So whatever you guys need or need our help, just give us a call.
Wow. You know, all those names were Chinese to me. I didn't understand a bit, but I know that those guys that are doing drifting and drag racing, they know all of that terminology. But the one tire that I do remember, it's funny because I saw was Mucho Macho. I saw that the other day. Wow.
Yeah, that brand's going out with some names out there.
Is it?
Yeah. You got I think it's El Jefe for the LT brand. So the big tires, they make them El Jefe.
Oh, wow. So you provide all that.
Oh, yeah.
Beautiful
All
service.
the odd names out there.
You know what? I like what you guys do. So guys, let's show him some love. You guys see this, give him a call, and he'll take care of you. Alrighty, thanks.